Hey lover! Welcome to Let's Talk Diabetes with me, Rabikono. In today's video, I will be showing you what you can eat for breakfast when you have diabetes. When you have diabetes, your goal should be to eat breakfast which is low in carbs and high in healthy fats, fiber and also protein. This helps to keep your blood sugar levels down and at the same time give you the energy you need to kickstart your day. And this is exactly what you will get with this recipe. So stay tuned. I would like to start with a joke. Have you ever wondered why diabetics never win at a hide and seek? That is just because they always leave a trace of test strips. Now, let's dive into the video. So, for this recipe, I will be using oatmeal. Oatmeal is high in fiber, which helps to regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down digestion and absorption of carbohydrate. It's a source of complex carbohydrate which provides sustained energy without causing spikes in blood sugar levels. So, consuming oatmeal as part of a balanced diet can contribute to better glycemic control and overall health for people with diabetes. Blueberries. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants which have been shown to enhance insulin sensitivity and improve glucose metabolism. They also have a low glycemic index, meaning they cause a slower rise in blood sugar levels compared to foods with high glycemic index. Blueberries are also high in fiber, which helps to regulate blood sugar levels and aid in weight management. So, adding them into your diet can contribute to a better control of diabetes and overall health improvement. Walnuts. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acid, which is beneficial for heart health. Low in carbohydrate, which means they have a little or no impact on blood sugar levels. They are high in fiber, which therefore help control blood sugar level by slowing down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Do you like eating oatmeal? Which is your favorite, cold or hot? Please let me get your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you. Before I move on to the next food, please do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up. In so doing, YouTube is going to send this video to many people. Also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. God bless you. Now let's move on to the next food. Cashew nuts. Though high in carbohydrates, cashew nuts have a low glycemic index, making them suitable for people with diabetes. They are also rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fat, which is beneficial for heart health since people with diabetes are at a higher risk of heart diseases. They are also rich in fiber and antioxidants, which help to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Oatmilk. Unsweetened oat milk has a low glycemic index as compared to other plant-based milk, which means it can help maintain more stable blood sugar levels. Stevia. Stevia is a natural sweetener that is calorie-free and does not affect blood sugar levels. It has a slow glycemic index and can help in weight management. Though it is optional for this recipe, it is good to note that moderation is key, as relying too heavily on sweeteners, even non-caloric ones like stevia, may disrupt appetite regulation. So, in essence, your breakfast should consist of healthy fats, fiber, protein, and non-starchy vegetables. This can help to boost your energy and also regulate blood sugar level. This breakfast is definitely recommended for you. You can add any fruit or nut of your choice to this recipe. Remember, portion control is key. I hope you will give this video a try. Also let me know in the comment section if you are going to try this recipe out. So that was it for today. If this video was useful, give it a thumbs up and also share to family and friends. Thank you for watching. I see you on my next video. Stay well, stay healthy. Salut! Bye!